Hymns based on Gathas in praise of Amida Buddha by Gutoku Shinran. Namu Amida Butsu. Amida has passed through 10 kalpas now since realizing Buddhahood. Dharma body's wheel of light is without bound, shining on the blind and ignorant of the world. The light of wisdom exceeds all measure, and every finite living being receives this illumination that is like the dawn. So take refuge in Amida, the true and real light. The liberating wheel of light is without bound. Each person it touches, it is taught, is freed from attachments to being and non-being. So take refuge in Amida, the enlightenment of non-discrimination. The cloud of light is unhindered, like open sky. There is nothing that impedes it. Every being is nurtured by this light. So take refuge in Amida, the one beyond conception. The light of purity is without compare. When a person encounters this light, all bonds of karma fall away. So take refuge in Amida, the ultimate shelter. The Buddha's light is supreme in radiance. Thus, Amida is called Buddha, Lord of blazing light. It dispels the darkness of the 3 courses of affliction. So take refuge in Amida, the great one worthy of offerings. The radiance of enlightenment, in its brilliance, transcends all limits. Thus Amida is called Buddha of the light of purity. Once illuminated by this light, we are freed of karmic defilements and attain emancipation. The light of compassion illuminates us from afar. Those beings it reaches, it is taught, attain the joy of Dharma. So take refuge in Amida, the great consolation. The light dispels the darkness of ignorance. Thus Amida is called Buddha of the light of wisdom. All the Buddhas and sages of the 3 vehicles together offer their praise. The light shines everywhere ceaselessly. Thus Amida is called Buddha of uninterrupted light. Because beings hear and apprehend this power of light, their mindfulness is enduring, and they attain birth. The Buddha's light cannot be fathomed. Thus Amida is called Buddha of inconceivable light. All the Buddhas, in acclaiming a person's attainment of birth, extol Amida's virtues. The majestic light, transcending forms, is beyond description. Thus Amida is called Buddha of inexpressible light. All the Buddhas praise this light, the cause by which Amida's Buddhahood was fulfilled. The light is more luminous than the heavenly bodies. Thus Amida is called light that surpasses the sun and moon. Even Sakyamuni's praise cannot exhaust its virtues. So take refuge in the one without equal.